Hello and welcome. Today, we'll take a look at how the Statement Designer feature lets you create customized layouts for your Tabs3 billing statements. Using this feature, you can control the placement of various fields from the client's file and add customized text, images, and other layout elements to the statement. Let's get started. We'll start by searching for Statement Designer in the Quick Launch. The Statement Designer window is split up into three sections: the Layout tree, the Page Layout pane, and the Field Selection pane. The Layout tree displays each layout available for customization. Various sample layouts are available to use as a starting point for the first page of your statement, as well as for subsequent pages, the cover statement, envelope layouts, and more. You can use the right-click menu in the Layout section to create a new page layout or select an existing layout and customize it for your needs. For this example, we'll use the Firm Information layout to take a closer look at how to work with the various elements. In the Page Layout section, any information above the Begin Statement body line is considered to be the statement header. This section generally contains information about the firm, the client, and statement-specific information. Similarly, any information included below the End Statement body line is considered the footer. You can customize these sections by adding a logo or a letterhead image. For more information on adding an image to your statement, check out the Adding a Letterhead Using Statement Designer video. These header and footer lines can be moved up or down on the layout if needed. The statement body is comprised of the fees, costs, payments, and billing information for your client, so leave this area blank. The formatting in this section is controlled by the statement template assigned to the client and the settings in statement customization. For this example, you'll see that the header is comprised of various fields like the firm information, statement date, and the address information for the client. To add additional fields to the layout, you can use the Field Selection pane. These fields will pull information from data that's stored in system configuration, the client file, and statement-specific information. Simply locate the field that you want to add and double-click on it. Once it's been added to the layout, you can move it to a different location by clicking and dragging the field or by using the arrow keys on your keyboard. If you want to remove a field from the form, just select the field and press Delete on your keyboard. Above the layout, a toolbar and an attribute bar are available to help you align your fields or add various visual elements. You can easily add text boxes and shapes, as well as change the font or style attributes for any displayed field. You can also make adjustments and access property information about a field by selecting the field and using the right-click menu. For example, you can choose to suppress blank lines in a field by selecting Properties from the menu and ensuring that Compress Blank Lines is set to Yes. Other options in the right-click menu include changing the display of the layout to include elements like grid lines that can help you with alignment, or displaying field names. Once the layout looks the way that you need it to, click Save. To verify that your printer is set up to use Statement Designer layouts, search for Print Setup in the Quick Launch. Then, select the printer that you use to print statements and click the Statement Setup button. At the top of the Statement Setup window, select the Enable Statement Designer Layouts checkbox and click OK to save the changes. Next, you'll want to make sure this layout is assigned to a statement template. From the Quick Launch, search for Statement Templates. Then, select a template to assign the layout to. On the Layouts tab, in the Page 1 field, select the layout. If you design layouts for continuation pages, the statement envelope, or any cover statement pages, they can also be selected below. Repeat this process for any other templates that you use. Check out the Utilizing Statement Templates video for additional information about the settings in this particular window. Now, you can generate a statement for a client assigned to this template to make sure the layout looks correct. One helpful tip is to show the Statement Preview and Statement Designer side by side by using the vertical tab group option. This makes it easier to see where fields align and if changes need to be made. And that's all it takes to customize the look of your statements using Statement Designer. For more information about customizing your statements, check out the Statement Formatting Guide by visiting tabs3.com/guides. Thanks for watching. See you next time.